Altcoin Trader is so much more than just a crypto exchange. You should consider it a financial toolbox. And like with any job, if you don't know how to use each and every tool in your toolbox, you're not able to perform that job to the best of your ability. In this morning's video, I want to take a second just to go through all the tools in that financial toolbox that we're calling Altcoin Trader. Let's get straight to it. Good morning, everybody. Now, a lot of people know Altcoin Trader and they know it as a crypto exchange, and that is the primary function of Altcoin Trader, obviously. We have got many different cryptocurrencies that you can trade. You can make a portfolio and you can understand and invest in these cryptocurrencies. But that is just scratching the surface of the offering that Altcoin Trader gives you. We're giving you a financial toolbox that you can leverage your finances and ultimately have a better financial future. All the tools are here. If you know how to use them in the correct manner, you can make a better financial lifestyle for yourself. So let's talk about gold and silver. A lot of people know that you can trade cryptocurrencies on Altcoin Trader. And of course, we've got a range of cryptocurrencies that you can trade. But not many people know that you can trade physical assets like gold. If we have a look here, we've got gold trading on the platform. And I must emphasize that this is physical gold. It's not paper gold. In this case, it's Kruger Rand coins. The same with silver. If we have a look here, we are trading silver. Now, what this allows you to do, first of all, for those of you who are not yet 100% sold on the digital future and you don't really like cryptocurrencies, you have the ability to trade gold and silver on a platform like Altcoin Trader. In addition to that, if you see that the crypto markets are cooling off and you want to put your wealth in a more stable asset, you can move from cryptocurrencies into gold or into silver, knowing that perhaps the returns might not be as great, but certainly you are going to see that stable growth that a lot of more conservative investors are looking for. And more importantly, if you've got gold or silver coins sitting in a cupboard at home doing nothing, you are losing out on the ability to trade this asset and to make your assets liquid. Another thing that you can do, which we'll cover in a little bit more detail in this video, is you could actually take a collateralized based loan against your gold and silver. In other words, you could get the funds liquid out of those assets without selling them in case the value of those assets goes up in the future. In other words, use the money from your gold and silver without selling it. But as I said, we'll get into that a little bit more in the video. Now let's talk about the easy range of products that Altcoin Trader provides. That being easy sell, easy save, and easy loans. And as the name implies, we've tried to take all the complexity out of these procedures and just make it easy to do. So let's have a look at Easy Buy to start. Easy Buy is a way to simply buy cryptocurrencies. If you wanted to buy 100 Rand of Bitcoin, you would simply click this button. It gives you an estimate of how much Bitcoin you could get and you could just click buy. But it's not only Bitcoin, it's all of the cryptocurrencies on our exchange. If you wanted to sell, you just simply reverse the procedure and select what you want to sell. Now, for someone that doesn't really understand the complexities of an exchange, and if you're looking at this page and going, "Ooh, it just looks too complicated, I can't buy Bitcoin," in that case, I strongly recommend the Easy Buy and Easy Sell option. But if you are a more advanced user, obviously there are benefits to using the normal order book, and that is that you can fully understand the orders that are available and what you can do to make sure that you get the best price. But if you're a new user, just use Easy Buy and Sell. If you're a more advanced user, I would suggest using the normal interface. What we've tried to do is make it an easy entry for new people into the cryptocurrency space. Now, let's talk about Easy Save. And Easy Save is without a doubt one of my favorite offerings on Altcoin Trader. If you've ever staked cryptocurrency without an exchange, you know the complexities and the risks involved in staking your crypto. In addition to that, if you don't have a product like EasySave, you have to research and understand every coin's staking mechanism. So what we've tried to do is bring it all in-house and allow you to simply choose a coin that you want to stake, click on a button and just stake that coin. Your interest will start generating within a couple of minutes. EasySave is a real winner in this financial toolbox. It is a way for you to accrue and generate more wealth on the crypto assets that you already hold. In my opinion, the days of having crypto assets that don't produce a passive income for you are simply over. If you've got cryptocurrencies and you're holding them, why not earn interest on them? Why not make a passive income? Why not allow your portfolio to grow? And this is simply done with the EasySave product on Altcoin Trader. There's no lock-in periods, there's no fees, and you have instant access to your assets at any stage. Here I made a video where I go into the complexities of EasySave and give you a little bit more detail. But what you need to know now is that it is one of the tools in your financial toolbox that you can use to make sure that your assets grow month on month, day on day, and you can see the interest that you are generating with the EasySave product. Next, we're going to talk about Easy Loans. Now, Easy Loans is a product that is absolutely amazing in my opinion. This allows you to take your cryptocurrencies and without selling them, get liquid funds. In other words, let's go over a quick example. Let's say your car breaks down and you urgently need to repair it, but you don't want to sell your cryptocurrencies because you are a hodler and you can see that this cryptocurrency is going to achieve huge values in the future. What you can do in that case is take a loan against your cryptocurrency. Use those funds to repair your vehicle. And if the price of that Bitcoin or cryptocurrency goes up, it doesn't affect you because you only have to pay back the rands that you borrowed. With the Easy Loan product, you can borrow against Bitcoin, Ethereum, as I mentioned earlier, gold and silver, also Cardano and Polygon. Now, I made a video explaining this in detail, so you can go and look at that. But if you understand and use a collateralized loan in a responsible manner, this can be used to leverage your financial portfolio and to put you in a much better position than you would normally be. Obviously, if used irresponsibly, a loan can put you in trouble. So if you know the price of Bitcoin is going up and you don't have money to buy Bitcoin, you could take a loan, buy the Bitcoin, the price goes up, sell the Bitcoin, pay the loan back and keep the change. That, very briefly, is the principle of leveraging your crypto portfolio with loans. But of course, the adverse, if you bought Bitcoin, the price went down, you would sell that Bitcoin, you wouldn't even have enough to pay your loan back. Used responsibly, I am a big fan of collateralized loans. I think it is an amazing tool to have at your disposal. Altcoin Trader has given you that tool in the way of Easy Loans. We also have xZAR, the South African stablecoin. Now, if you're thinking, how does that benefit you? xZAR should be considered your gateway into the decentralized world. In other words, you can trade cryptocurrencies not only on Altcoin Trader, but on most of the decentralized exchanges out there with the use of xZAR. But it's not only that, xZAR has a host of use cases that you can do with this stablecoin. But to give you some idea where you can find the stablecoin, what you can do with it, if you go to the xzar.co.za website, you can click on projects and you can see all of the projects that xZAR is currently involved in. If you're looking for a coin that otherwise isn't available on Altcoin Trader, this could be an alternative to get many thousands of cryptocurrencies. That leads into AltSwap. AltSwap is, of course, a decentralized exchange that you can use to buy a host of cryptocurrencies. The AltSwap is currently on 3 different blockchains, that being Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon or Matic. And by understanding how to use a decentralized exchange like AltSwap, it will also open up a world of different cryptocurrencies that you can buy, sell, and trade. Altcoin Trader is also an exchange that tries to, wherever possible, support airdrops, and we occasionally do giveaways. So as you can see, there is a lot of airdrops and a lot of giveaways that have taken place on Altcoin Trader. Of course, our monthly crypto giveaway, which can be found on the Altcoin Trader official YouTube channel. Guys, I've tried to highlight a lot of the products that we offer at Altcoin Trader, because I believe that if you understand how to use these financial products, if you understand how to navigate not only the centralized crypto space, but the decentralized crypto space, and understand that this alternative crypto financial ecosystem is being built every single day, it will put you in a much better position to have full control and understanding of your crypto portfolio. I hope this video has been helpful, and if you like this type of content, I'd ask you to please contribute to the channel by just smashing that like button. I very much appreciate it. That's it from me. I'm out.